We have this module. This is a LCD, blue screen LCD, and this is a backpack. So backpack, this is I2C, inter-integrated circuit. I2C is inter-integrated circuit. That is the communication protocol of this we're going to use with this module. So conversion of many pins into just 4 pins. That is the I2C. We call that I2C, inter-integrated circuit. So instead of using many pins here for the LCD, because of I2C backpack, these many pins becomes 4 pins with the use of this backpack or I2C. So in these 4 pins we have the ground, VCC, then SDA, serial data, SCL, serial clock. We can adjust the brightness of this LCD using this trimmer. And what are we going to do? We're going to scan to know the address of this LCD. We need to know the address of this LCD with the use of Arduino Uno microcontroller, favorites. We're going to connect this to Arduino Uno to know the address so that we know we can use this in our code. Let us first upload the code for the scanner, address scanner of this LCD. We now have the LCD and then the Arduino Uno connected. Arduino LCD. So we're using 4 lines. For the LCD and then Arduino, we're using ground 5 volts A4 A5. Ground to ground 5 volts to the BCC LCD A4 SDA serial data. And then A5 is for serial clock. Okay? So why is it that it is I2C? By the way, what is the scanner address? If you watch the video of uploading the code, what is the I2C address of this LCD? It is 0 times 27. We need to know the address of this LCD so that we can use this in our project. For every coding we're going to make, so we need the address. So using this setup and then the code, and why is it that USB, the power of Arduino, is using a PC, a power from the computer, from USB to computer? Because we need to know the address. So in Arduino, we are using the serial monitor so that we can see the address. So we need to connect that to the computer still to see the address. Why we need to know the address? So we can use it, or we know where is the device we're going to use. If this is the master and this is the slave, using the two lines, it becomes easy to connect the two by using the I2C, this I2C. I2C, what is the I2C? Inter-integrated circuit. So before, we have many pins. In order to use this LCD, in order to connect this LCD to Arduino, we need to connect the 16 pins. Each pin could be. But because of this I2C, it converts the 16 pins. So the 16 pins, this, into 4 pins. So this is now ground, BCC, SD, SC, and so it simplifies the connection between the Arduino and then the LCD. So we can now use the LCD in our project instead of connecting it to many pins into the LCD. We're just using the backpack from 12 or 16 pins. It becomes 4 pins with the use of this backpack or I2C, inter-integrated circuit. That is the technology, integrated circuit, I2C, sometimes called I squared C, because I represents inter-integrated and C circuit. So with the use of this backpack, we can able to convert. We're not using now the many pins of the LCD. Instead, we're using the 4 pins. And with the use of the code, we can able to track down we can scan the address, I2C address of this LCD. Just using 2 lines, this A4, A5 data, and then clock. Just 2 lines. we can able to scan the address of this LCD. Also, this the code we use can also be used in other module. If we're going to use this I2C, for example, another piece of LCD display. So if we have two LCD, each has its own or each has different address. So we need to scan each LCD if we have two LCDs. So that is the use of scanner to know the address, so that we can communicate, or the Arduino Uno can communicate to the LCD display through I2C, because of these I2C lines A4, A5, SDA, SCL. That is with the use of the code and serial monitor. In serial monitor, we can see that if you watch the video of code uploading. Serial monitor, we have now the 0 times 27, 0x27, that is the address of this LCD. Different device or different module, different LCD or module has a different address. So now we can now have this LCD 1602. This, the size of the screen is 1602, blue screen. I2C address scanner. So we have now the scanner using the code of the Arduino, using the Arduino microcontroller.